Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at the Premier Inn in London Tolworth and I'm going to take you on a quick tour around the hotel, showing you some of its main features. The Premier Inn is next to Tolworth train station and in a great location for visiting close by attractions like Chessington World of Adventures and Epsom Raceourse. You will need to pick up a parking voucher from reception before paying at the meter. The hotel is spread over 9 floors, including the underground car park. Reception is open 24 hours a day. If you prefer, you can check in and collect your keys at one of the terminals. They have a vending machine selling a variety of snacks and drinks, and Amazon lockers. We've booked a family room with a king-size Hypnos bed and 2 single beds. The headboard has a purple light behind it, which is great for use as a nightlight. They provide gentle hand soap, and hair and body gel, and a shower over the bath which has pretty good water pressure. If you would like to be more eco-friendly, you can reuse your towels and place them on the rail, or if you need them replacing, you put them in the bath. Full length wardrobe with hangers, and they provide a hairdryer and towels, and extra storage at the bottom. And the mirror has its own internal light, which is great if you want to apply your makeup. You need to put your room key in the slot in order to get power to the room. Plenty of sockets for charging all your electricals. The windows don't open, but the room does have aircon. The desk has plenty of plug sockets, your instructions on how to work your air conditioning, and your menu. The tea tray with tea and coffee, and you can get more from reception if you need it. There's no smoking or vaping in any of the rooms. They have a good variety of food in the restaurant and the menu changes seasonally. This is the on-site restaurant. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not click on one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye!